Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to do an unboxing video, so let's go. Here's my package, and a little knife. Now we are going to open it up. So, yeah. Let's see how we are going to do this. Okay, it's open. Okay, now it's good wrapping. So yeah, here, like stuff. Cut it open. Okay, it's almost done. Okay, I think we can open it now. Okay, how does it look? We just put it off. Okay, we got this stuff. Hello. Okay, let's work. We got this thing here. What's this? This is the paper. Nothing special. There's something. Ah! Right. Now, we got our stuff. We got the Alpha Design marker stuff. So we can make better videos, and so I hope that I can get more subscribers. It should be nice. But I'll see you guys in the weekend. I think that I'm going to make a tutorial. See you later. Bye.